Welcome back accountancy class. We are in preparation of ledger book. The ledger is a book in which several accounts are going to be maintained in that book. It's a collection of accounts. See, in the previous classes we have prepared certain accounts, and today also we will continue with the same kind of problems. Yes, what are the journal entries that the transactions that I gave you?
Yes, sir.
First, sales. What is the amount?
Yes, sir. Sales 15,689.
Okay, next. Second.
Purchases
Okay, purchases.
1,236.
Okay, next.
Purchased furniture
Furniture purchased. FP means
11,269.
11,000. Okay, next. Fourth date.
Commission received
Commission received. What is the amount?
12,568.
12,568. Okay, next.
Sales
Sales. What is the amount?
68,958.
Okay, next.
Purchases
Purchases. What is the amount?
42,154.
Okay, right. Next.
Sales
Sales. What is the amount?
35,261.
Okay, next.
Purchases
Purchases. Amount?
41,213.
Okay, next.
Sales 85,217.
Next.
Purchased machinery
Machinery purchases. Okay. What is the amount?
15,211.
Okay, next. And last.
Sales
Yes, amount?
23,115.
Okay, this is all amount in rupees. You please understand like that. So in
Yes, sir.
I am mentioning. Amount in rupees. Okay, this is what it implies. Okay, you balance them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am also doing, but roughly I will do sales. It will be on the debit side. This is cash book I am preparing. Cash account I am preparing. Okay. So 15,689. No, I will not use this one. What I will do is, okay, insert. Okay, directly this side I am writing 15,689 to cash account. It means purchases means this side. By purchases 1,236. Next, this is furniture purchased 11,269. Okay, next. Commission received. So amount came to us So it is 12,568. Then sales is 68,958. Then purchases 42,154. 42,154. Next, sales 45,261. Then purchases 41,213. Okay. Next, sales 85,217. 85,217. The next, machinery purchased 15,211. Next, sales 23,115. So roughly I have written all the amounts so that we can balance them out. So two sales, this is first one is two sales, second one is by purchases, third one is by furniture. Did you write like that, by furniture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is to commission. Okay. This one is two sales. This one is by purchases. This one is two sales. This one is by purchases. This one is two sales. This one is machinery purchased by machinery. Did you write like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last one is two sales. So that's all. You balance them out. I will cross check. Okay.
Sir, a balance is cash.
Balance is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me check. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Then what? See, this is, you all know, this is date, this is particulars, this is LF number, sorry, this is JF number, sorry, okay. We are in ledger, no? We are in ledger means LF number, JF number will come, okay.
Yes, sir.
This is amount rupees. Again, this is date, this is particulars, this is JF number, this is amount rupees. So at the top you have DR,
Yes, sir.
and this side this is CR. As you all know, we are preparing cash account. So cash account means, as I already told you, debit side only more amount is going to be there. So I will tally first on the debit side. I will total first on the debit side. Okay. Now you can see 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 8 29, 29 plus 9 38.
38.
Okay. So 3 is at the top. Okay. 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 6 28, 28 plus 2 30. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 33 again to the top. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 9 23, 23 plus 5 34. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 4. Again 3 to the top. 3 plus 7 10, 18 plus 10 28, 28 plus 3 is 31. Am I correct? Am I wrong? Yes, am I wrong?
No, sir.
You are wrong. Here I am getting 25. You cross check once. Okay. So if I total it, I am getting this amount. 251,408 I am getting. You just cross check. I may be wrong sometimes. You check it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is not 24, sir. It is 25.
25 only.
Onwards
No?
page.
I have mentioned 25 only, no? Where it is 24? Where it is 25?
In that hundreds place, sir.
Here this one 4, not 4 it is.
Yes, sir.
It is 5.
It is 5, sir.
Okay, let me check once. 9 plus 8, 17, 25, 26, 33 plus 5, 38, 8, 3. 3 plus 8, 11, 17, 22, 28 plus 3, 30. Again 3. 9, 14, 23 plus 4, 20. It is 8 coming, no? Here not.
Yes, sir. It is 8. Yes, sir.
Then you see properly. It is 8. Okay. 3 plus 6, 9. Plus 5, 14. Plus 9, 23. Plus 4, 27. Plus 1, 28. 8. Here it
8.
is.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 5, 7. Plus 2, 9. Plus 8, 17. Plus 10, 27. Plus 3 is 30. So it will be 0 here. 3 to the top. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 8, 23 plus 2, 25. It will be 250,808. You please cross check once. Okay? It is
Yes, sir.
250,808. Is it correct? You please cross check once.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, in that 7th journal entry, it is not 45,000, sir. It is 35.
It is 35.
Yes, sir. 35,361.
35,261. It is not 45,261.
Yes. Yes, sir. It is not 45.
Okay, I will change. So it will be 240,808. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now you balance it out and you tell me the amount.
Okay, sir.
I will write and I will cross check. Yes, did you do?
I'm doing, sir.
Amount that you got?
Sir, 1,29,725.
129,725. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have already done, but so you should not see it. That is why I have painted like this. I will make it visible to you. Okay. One 29,725. Okay. Valid.
Yes, sir.
So are you able to do on your own?
Yes, sir.
So it means you practiced. Very good. See, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 5 makes
Yes,
it
sir.
28. 8 here, 2 will go to the top.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 2 makes it 20. 0 here, 2 will go to the top. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 18, 7. 11 plus 7 makes it 18. 1 will go to the top. 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 9 makes it 20. 0 here, 2 will go to the top. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 12 makes it 24. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now sales account you have completed.
Yes, sir, completed, but I should balance.
Now you balance, I will do. We will cross check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sales.
Sir, in sales account,
Yes.
on the debit side, there is no amount now, sir.
Debit side sales is always credit. No, I already told no.
Yes, sir.
No amount will come. In purchases.
Sir, then
Ah,
on credit side, we have to total and we have to balance it there only.
yes, same amount will appear on the debit side. Total amount is balanced. That's all. There is no problem in say purchases account or sales account. Okay, so it is not difficult to balance. The total amount is balanced out. That's all. Total amount you are going to bring it to the debit side. You will mention balance carried down. You will take it to the opposite direction. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can do them because there is no balancing. No, again some more
Yes,
transaction.
sir.
Cash account you prepare. Okay. What, you stopped speaking? Is it?
Okay, sir.
NCERT 11th standard book I opened. We are in page number 95. So 18th problem you see. Commenced business with cash. What is the journal entry?
Capital account debtor to cash account.
No, capital is always
Yes, sir. Cash account debtor.
cash account debtor to capital account. Opened bank account with HDFC.
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Okay, purchased furniture.
Furniture account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Next. What is the journal entry next?
Rupa traders debtor account to cash account.
Why Rupa traders?
Purchases.
That is cash purchases, no?
Yes.
Then why is their name? Their name is not required.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what is the journal entry? Purchase account data to cash.
Purchases, sir.
Cash is there, no?
Yes, sir.
In cash transaction, name is not required. In
Okay, sir.
purchase and sales. Next, purchased goods from Hema Traders. So here name is required because cash is not there.
Cash is not mentioned.
Okay. So what is the journal
Yes,
entry?
sir. Hema traders debtor to cash account.
No. Why? Where is the cash? In Hema Traders account, where is the cash? It is not cash transaction, no? Why you are mentioning
Yes.
cash? It is, what is the journal entry? Think and tell.
Purchases account debtor to Hema traders.
Yes, that's all. What is the doubt there?
Yes, sir.
Sold goods for cash.
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Okay. Next. Yes, what is the journal entry?
Gupta traders debtor to sales account.
Very good. Next.
Rent account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Next.
Trade expenses debtor to cash account.
Okay, next.
Cash received account debtor to Gupta traders.
You need not say. Received you need not say. Just cash account at
Oh, okay, sir.
Hema Traders account, that's all. Or Gupta Traders. This is 20. Okay. Next. 22nd. What is the journal entry?
Hema traders debtor to goods return.
No, you should not mention goods.
Sales returns. Sales returns.
No, they are not sales return. They are purchases returns.
Okay. Yes.
You purchased from them, you see, on the 8th date. Okay. When you are purchasing, it is purchase account data to Hema Traders. When you are returning, Hema Traders account data to purchases returns account. You have to mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, cash paid to Hema Traders. What is the journal entry?
Hema traders debtor to cash account.
Okay, 25th.
Postage account debtor.
Postage stamps account.
Yes, sir.
Postage stamps account data to.
Cash account.
Okay, 30th date. Last date.
Rishabh account data to salary.
No, see. Now, see, you mentioned Rishabh account data to salary account.
Yes.
See, salary is which account? How many types of accounts are there?
3, sir.
What are they?
Personal, real, nominal.
Okay, very good. So salary is which account? Is it name of a person?
No, sir.
So is it asset? In real accounts, assets will come. Is it real account?
No, sir. No, sir.
It is expenditure or income. If you receive salary, it is income.
Income.
If you
Yes, sir.
give to somebody else, it is expenditure for you. So it is nominal account, no?
Yes, sir.
So you paid salary to Rishabh. Means what is the principle in nominal account?
Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
But you are crediting it, means you are treating it as income for you. Is it income for you?
Yes, sir.
Is it income when you are paying to Rishabh?
No, sir. No, sir.
Then why you are giving credit to salary?
Yes, sir.
What yes? What you should write?
We have to debit salary account.
Which account you are going to credit?
Cash account.
Very good. Then person's name is immaterial here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, salaries account data to cash account you have to mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you do one thing, write journal entries and
Yes, sir.
prepare accounts of all the accounts that you come across in these transactions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is your homework. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you very much. Shall I end?
Thank you. Yes.